Om Shri Sai Ram. My dear friends, there is one feeling that all of us might have experienced in the past 2 years, and that is loneliness. But today, I have a tip for that. Welcome to a fresh episode of Easy DIY Art and Craft. It is said that an artist is never lonely. You are always in the realm of your creation. And today, we have to appreciate Shivraj because he has picked up something that definitely we will throw away. And what it is a jute thread. And he has created a beautiful flower vase with that. The end product is so beautiful and amazing. So stay tuned till the end and watch for yourself. You don't have to believe my words, but watch till the end and you will definitely show your happiness in the comments below. My dear friends, don't you agree with me that each and every creation that these boys did was indeed stupendous? It is our duty to appreciate and encourage these boys pursue this art. So come on my dear friends, give all your positivity through your comments. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And finally, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe because you get a lot of positive and wonderful content in this channel. Be happy, don't worry, spread positivity. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.